every push-up progression known to man. And since there are a lot of push-ups in this video, we're going to use a few things to help us stay organized, like this timeline from Novice to Elite, my personal 1 to 10 difficulty scale, and because I'm that extra, I made an Excel sheet with all the information from this video that's linked down in the description that contains categories for things like handstand, planche, and unilateral variations. So make sure to comment any push-ups you think I might have missed, and let me know how far you make it on this list. Alright, enough talking, let's get into it. Hey, get that drone out of here. So why did I make this list? Oh, I just enjoy torturing myself. No, but really, I kind of assumed this already existed. But I couldn't find anything of this size. So I figured I just had to make it myself. And now I realize why no one's done this before. It's because it's a lot of work.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Shout out today's sponsor, My Chest. My Chest did over 200 push-ups while making this video. If you'd like to support My Chest, click any of the buttons below. It'll send a small dopamine signal from my brain directly to my chest that will numb the pain from doing all these push-ups. Thanks! Alright, for real though, that's as far as I've made it on this list. We're going to be watching athletes much stronger than myself do the rest of these push-ups. And I might even pop in on some of these videos just to watch them with you because these people are insane. So without further ado, let's get into it. Cut to someone more skilled than me. So I don't know what this is actually called. Maybe a gymnast can tell me down below, but it's like a kipping 90-degree push-up. Alright, fitness on the run here with some freestanding handstand push-ups. If you guys have never tried your regular variations on rings, it really takes some extra strength. So to do it freestanding and on rings, that's some insane strength. Daniel Vadnal from 8 years ago? No, 9 years ago. That's some serious longevity of training. And he was already doing this stuff. That's insane. Diamond handstand push-ups. This is a variation that I actually haven't seen too much. For those that can do more of these advanced variations, let me know how my ranking is on some of these, because it is just kind of guesstimating for me. Alright, the deep handstand push-up. And you know what? I bet this guy could do full planche, 90-degree push-ups. I want to go check it out. Let's see. Yep, 90-degree push-up, full planche, front lever. Dude's a freaking beast. And that actually fits really well because our next push-up on the list is the 90-degree push-up. Insane strength. All right, straddle planche push-up. Man, that looks so sick. Definitely some goals right there. Let's see if I can, okay. I unfortunately had a hard time finding videos of people doing straddle planche push-ups on the ring. This is Philip Chubb. You might recognize him from his Instagram handle, The Mindful Mover. He's got a lot of great content on there, but insanely strong dude. All right, another super strong guy, Daniels Laisons. I can click on any one of these videos and he's gonna be doing some planche push-ups in it. All right, the Psy Monster push-up. I think that's what it's called. I actually haven't seen this by any other name. It seems super hard, and this is actually the last push-up on our list before Elite. Full planche push-ups on the rings. Beautiful stuff. And iron cross. Sure, why not? Deep planche push-ups. I can't even imagine how difficult this is. Okay, yeah, thanks bro, thanks. Oof. I don't know how hard this backhand planche push-up is compared to some of these other ones, but I can only imagine how difficult it is to press in that direction. It's gotta be up there with some of the most elite. Okay, here we have Sonderberg on Instagram. I actually saw this clip while I was making this video. This dude is one of the strongest overhead pressers that I've seen in calisthenics. Mad props to him, some serious dedication to his craft there. Back to Psy Monster, doing a one hand. So one hand because he's still supporting with his other hand. So it's not a one arm, he's still using both arms, but insane strength. A 90-degree push-up with one hand. Beautiful. All right, this is absolutely top tier strength right here. We're getting into the realm of impossible. So super elite stuff here. Look how easy he presses into that handstand. And the super, super deep planche push-up. Pretty much going into a back lever, into a full planche. I love watching this stuff. The wall one arm handstand push-up. Not a lot of people can do this. I mean, like, almost no one can do this. And even the form on some of these is not the best, but it's such an awkward position, and the way you have to move your center of gravity over your arm is just, it's so weird. You see each one of these people kind of does it a little bit differently. Last on this list, the impossible, the one arm freestanding handstand push-up. Currently impossible. I don't think I've seen anyone get fully down to a 90-degree bend and push up. This is a really good Reddit write-up from user Rock Raiders on Reddit. Shout out to his YouTube channel right here, Massimo, I believe. And it goes over some of the closest things we have to a one-arm handstand push-up, freestanding. If you've seen it, make sure to send me that link. I'm quite interested. So that wraps up this list. That is all the push-ups that I could find. So if you want to submit any push-ups that you think I missed, make sure to check my pinned comment down below. And if it's accepted, it'll go on that Excel sheet that's linked down in the description. Make sure to check it out. And we will accumulate all the push-ups there are in this world. So thanks so much for watching. If I helped you out, you know what to do. Hit the things, makes me happy. But have a good one. Good luck on your training. Peace.